Disaster in the West. St. James residents struggling to recover from Saturday's severe flooding. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. And a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, market vendor under scrutiny after seen urinating in container near her stall. And barbers and hairdressers carve out back-to-school hairstyles. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.